Hello and welcome to this MasterShip tutorial video. Today I will demonstrate the curve conversion possibilities within MasterShip. When working in AutoCAD, we will encounter many different types of curves. Splines, circles, ellipses, 3D polylines, the old style 2D polylines, the polylines, lines and arcs. Sometimes it's necessary to convert a curve from one type to another. For example, if a command requires the spline input, or we need to ensure a polyline is planar, and we convert a 3D polyline to a 2D polyline. To make this process faster and easier, MasterShip has the ship convert lines command. When you run the command, you are asked to select the curves to convert. Anything in the selection that is not a curve is ignored. The top drop-down enables you to select which type of curve to convert from, and you can choose any to convert all the selected curves. Choose the specific one to only convert that type. First, we will convert all old-style 2D polylines to the new type. Next, we will convert all curves to polylines. As you can see, the shape stays the same. The new polylines follow the original curves precisely. I have undone all changes and will now convert all curves to splines. As you can see, all three polyline types have been fitted. The arc, ellipse and circle have also been converted. I've undone all changes again. Converting to line type is only possible if the original curve was linear to begin with. Converting a linear spline to a line succeeds. Here we see a line with an associated dimension entity. As the ship convert lines command replaces the original entity, the dimension is still associated with the curve. Even after several different conversion steps. Here we see a polyline in white and a spline in cyan. The spline has fit points on the points of the polyline. I will now convert the polyline to a spline. As you can see, the converted spline has a different shape from the cyan spline. This is caused by the MasterShip algorithm, making sure that the created spline is better suited for shipbuilding. The new spline is much better fared than the cyan one. Thank you for watching this MasterShip tutorial.